In a city as vibrant and unique as New Orleans, your home needs to be as functional as it is beautiful. From humid summers and heavy rain to the occasional tropical storm, local weather plays a major role in how your home performs year-round. That's why many homeowners are choosing slider windows as a smart, stylish, and practical upgrade. If you're considering new windows, here are the top benefits of installing slider windows in New Orleans. Excellent ventilation for humid climates. New Orleans is known for its warm, humid weather. Proper airflow is essential for keeping your home comfortable and reducing excess indoor moisture. Slider windows open horizontally along a track, allowing for wide openings and excellent ventilation. Because one large pane slides past the other, you can easily control how much fresh air enters your home. Improved airflow helps reduce humidity buildup, which can minimize the risk of mold and mildew, an important consideration in Louisiana's climate. Easy operation and low-maintenance slider windows are designed with simplicity in mind. They glide smoothly along a track, making them easy to open and close. This is especially beneficial for hard-to-reach areas, such as over kitchen sinks or in tight spaces. With fewer moving parts than some other window styles, slider windows are typically low maintenance. Many modern designs include durable frames and high-quality rollers that resist wear and corrosion, which is particularly helpful in New Orleans where moisture levels can be high. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Keeping energy costs manageable is a priority for many homeowners. Slider windows can be highly energy efficient when built with features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low emissivity coatings. In the hot Louisiana summers, energy-efficient slider windows help keep cool air inside and block excessive heat from entering. During the cooler months, they help retain warmth. This consistent indoor comfort can reduce the strain on your HVAC system and potentially lower your monthly utility bills. Clear, expansive views. New Orleans homes often feature charming outdoor spaces, whether it's a lush backyard, a historic street view, or a cozy courtyard. Slider windows are known for their large glass panels and minimal framing, which provide wide, unobstructed views. Because they don't require vertical or outward opening mechanisms, slider windows offer a clean, modern look while maximizing natural light. More sunlight can make your rooms feel brighter, more open, and more inviting. Space-saving design. Unlike windows that swing outward or inward, slider windows move horizontally along a track. This makes them an excellent choice for areas with limited exterior or interior space. If your home has walkways, patios, porches, or landscaping close to the walls, slider windows won't interfere with those areas. Their streamlined design is ideal for urban homes in neighborhoods where space may be at a premium. Storm-ready options for peace of mind. Living in New Orleans means preparing for hurricane season. Many slider windows are available with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris. Choosing high-quality, storm-rated slider windows can add an extra layer of protection to your home. Not only can this increase safety during severe weather, but it may also enhance your home's overall durability and value. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows is one of the most noticeable improvements you can make to your home. Slider windows offer a sleek, contemporary appearance that complements a wide range of architectural styles, from classic New Orleans cottages to modern renovations. New windows can improve your home's curb appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Energy efficiency, storm protection, and easy maintenance are all features that today's buyers appreciate. Installing slider windows in New Orleans is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a practical investment in comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term protection. With their smooth operation, excellent ventilation, and space-saving design, slider windows are well suited to the local climate and lifestyle. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, slider windows offer a smart solution that blends style and performance for years to come.